tail fin comes from right down the road in Frederickson.
What I'm going to be pushing the IC to do is, rather than have a trunk come out here and a leg come out there and a tail come out there, let's just put the whole elephant out there so people know exactly what they're looking at. And it's precisely because he's lived out the American dream that he'll work his tail off to make sure more people can travel that same path and earn their own dreams as well. Even when you're working your tail off, it's harder than it should be to get ahead. And on that visit, I strolled around the Byward Market, tried a beaver tail, which is better. The instant he got airborne, another mortar ripped into the tail. The Huey fish-tailed violently, and a soldier was thrown out of the helicopter, hanging onto a skid as Chuck flew them to safety. It was the tail end of the war where we're entering high school and starting to understand the meaning of it, but at that